Some women seem to defy time. You look at them, and it's like the years just slide off. Their faces glow, their eyes sparkle, and their energy feels magnetic. What's their secret? Is it luck, genes, or something far deeper? The Swiss psychologist Carl Jung believed that the state of our soul shows itself on the outside. In other words, true radiance comes from within. It's not about makeup, diets, or surgery. It's about what's happening inside the mind and heart. Jung taught that the body and mind are connected. Stress, trauma, and unhealed emotions can age us faster, while peace, balance, and emotional growth slow it down. Modern science now confirms what Jung sensed decades ago. Our body reflects our soul. A woman who embraces her experiences instead of running from them radiates life. Her eyes remain bright, her posture strong, and her presence calm and magnetic. Jung called this process individuation, becoming whole by connecting conscious and unconscious parts of ourselves. He linked this radiance to the eternal feminine and the world soul, symbols of deep wisdom and spiritual energy. Women who live in this way carry strength, kindness, and timeless beauty. Pain doesn't break them, it shapes them. Jung called this active imagination, transforming suffering into growth and understanding. Finding meaning in life also protects the soul. Studies show that people with purpose live longer, handle stress better, and maintain vitality. When a woman lives with purpose and inner calm, she doesn't fight aging, she flows with it. Her beauty is natural, her energy alive, and her presence unforgettable. Even science confirms this. Mindfulness and emotional healing can slow cellular aging. Nobel Prize winner Elizabeth Blackburn found that mindfulness protects DNA and helps cells repair themselves. Women who live with inner harmony often have calm hearts, balanced hormones, and radiant skin. Their youth isn't fake, it's the reflection of a soul in balance. The secret isn't denying time, it's befriending it. These women let go of what no longer serves them and embrace life's cycles. They transform pain into wisdom and time into meaning. They show us that beauty isn't a mask, it's a mirror of inner wholeness. So next time you see a woman who seems to glow with timeless energy, remember this: she isn't defying age. She's mastered the art of living fully, deeply, and with purpose. Her youth isn't measured in years, it's measured in the light of her soul.